Hello and good morning. It's a beautiful Monday morning, the 14th of April 2025, and we're here in Southport, which is near Surfers Paradise, and I'm just admiring this absolutely spectacular, amazing view that we've got here today. So I'm looking out over the bay. The tide's in. I have seen it yesterday where there was all sandbanks and everything, so the tide is well in. We've got a lot of boats on there, and it's early in the morning. It's just coming up to 8 o'clock in the morning, and the traffic's quite busy. I suppose people are heading to work and going really to wherever they've got to go. But no, it's beautiful and sunny. The wind's died down. We have had 2 days of where it has been really, really windy. But today it's more of a nicer day. So let's start having a look around. So we're looking there down the coast. We've got plenty of big high rises and everything there. Let's just zoom in on that for you so you can have a look. That big building in the middle, when I was here last year, that was still under construction, but obviously it does look now completely finished, and looks nice, and people are actually probably living in there now. So as I look round to the left, we can see all the beautiful mountain area and all the houses and apartments and whatever else they actually are up there. Let's just zoom in on the mountain range for you there. They look absolutely amazing this morning. And they're quite clear as well. So yeah, it's a beautiful morning here in Southport near Surfers. So let's head back now and start looking at the ocean front. Like I say, there's plenty of buildings here, apartments, houses. So there's plenty of places to live if you come to this area. But it's just so spectacular. Just standing here looking at the water. Straight in front of me in the middle is where you can park and go down and launch your jet ski or your boat or anything like that. And we've got all these amazing parklands as well, and they're all beautifully kept with all this lovely grass. So I could sit. I'm actually standing on the balcony with 15 stories up here, and it's a beautiful place to sit. So let's start heading and looking the other way, you know. So we'll looking across now, and as I look that way and we zoom in for you, that's Surfers Paradise. And we're actually going to go there this morning and bring you a video from Surfers, so that should be really good, and you should enjoy it. So right in the middle of the picture there, you can see them sails. That's the hotel where I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out here used to use. But they don't actually use that anymore, so they go somewhere else. I'm not actually sure where that is. So let's just come round and have another look here. This is my favourite view here, looking this way, to be quite honest with you. You just get an absolutely spectacular view here. And it's just somewhere you can sit for hours and hours and just keep looking and looking. You don't want to go in, you don't want to go inside, you just want to stop out and admire the amazing view that we've got here. So what I'm going to do for you now, I'm just going to set the video up for a few minutes and you can just keep looking at this amazing sight. So there we go, just enjoy that now for a few minutes. Like I am, I'm just standing on the end of the balcony, the camera's recording and I'm just talking to you. Look how many boats and different things like that there is on the water. I went on the water there a couple of years ago with Neil. He took me out there on the jet ski and we had an absolutely fantastic time. Can't tell you how good that was. We launched a jet ski somewhere near that new building I was talking about to you about, the big tall apartment block you can see. And we got in the water and we must have spent a good 2.5 hours just cruising all through this absolutely beautiful area. He took me across to an island with a deserted beach. We had a sandwich and a cup of tea on there, and then we got back on the jet ski and started going all round. He took me in the open water. We were following and chasing boats, which was amazing. And I felt quite safe, because bear in mind I can't swim, but I've got my life jacket on and Neil was with me, and it was absolutely tremendous. We had a tremendous time. And then we ended up, he took me right up into the surface area, which was absolutely amazing. I could see all the great big massive buildings and everything like that, so I really enjoyed that. And then we headed back here. So we had an absolutely wonderful morning that day. Can't tell you how much, I enjoyed that, so thanks Neil. But, just sitting here on this balcony, it's just unbelievable, and the view I've got is what you can see here today. So imagine living here. I'd just be sitting out here doing my editing, sorting you all these films out, admiring this tremendous view I've got here in Southport. But like I say, it is Monday morning, it's just coming up to 8 o'clock. Roads are quite busy now. There's people going about on the daily business that they've got to do, and then obviously the people who are off, they'll probably start heading out now with the boats and jet skis and just have a fabulous time. So I just thought I'd tell you a little bit about what I've done and that in this area. So like I say, now this morning we're going to go up into Surfers Paradise. We're going to have a look at the beach. It was about 2 weeks ago they did have quite a bad cyclone that come through, and if you look at the news, all the beaches, it had eroded them and like put clefts on them, and obviously straight away they had to go out there and try and get that sorted out. So we are going to have a look at what's happened there, and then obviously we're going to have a look around Surfers, probably around the town, have a look in the souvenir stores and things like that, and then get back in the car. I think we'll go into the Tambourine Mountain area, and I think we're going to finish up at Inns Dam, which is a beautiful, beautiful place. Have a walk to the water there, and then head back here. So that probably sums up what we've got planned for today. So keep your eyes out, and obviously over the next few months you will see these videos that we're doing. So I'm just looking now the other side of the apartment through the window, and that's looking now more towards Surfers Paradise area, and it just gives you a beautiful, beautiful view of where we are. I've just zoomed in for you there now, and we're looking over towards the sails again, where I'm a Celebrity Get Me Out of Here hotel is, and you can probably actually see that right in the middle of the picture there. So beautiful area. There's a lovely swimming pool there, look, on the middle bottom side of the picture as well. So that really does look nice and a lovely place to go. Opposite we've got the holiday apartments, and then there's a look across there. That's looking right across into the area where we've got all the big high-rises and everything of Surfers Paradise. So there's plenty of like apartments and everything again in Southport before you get to Surfers, which you can see there. They look absolutely amazing. But no, it's beautiful. Just going to come off zoom. There we go, and you can see the big holiday apartments there. And then if I look down there, you can see all that area that's all like steeled off. That's where Neil's going to build his new car park and extend the car park here at Skye. Beautiful day so far. A few clouds about, but really nice. And it's looking sunny and not as windy, so we should have a fab day. And look at the view again we've got there across to the mountains. Take a look at that. It's fabulous.